Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add the glitch flash effects to your edits in CapCut. So first, just prepare your edits and click on the transition box in between the clips. Then just search for the transition. So type in glitch flash, then click on enter, and you'll find this glitch flash. So click on that, adjust the duration, and click on apply to all. Now you can just go back and see the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the thanks button below. Thank you.